You've got to think about the final watch and realise that nothing's personal. So I'd say the thing that was most pivotal in the Bel Canto's process was our work with the technical team in Switzerland. So specifically Frank deals with all the technical side of it, so making sure that everything functions correctly, it's machinable, manufacturable, and I deal with more of the design side of it. I was very keen to have a very symmetrical watch when it came to the Bel Canto, which all sounds well and good until you have to make it work. So we went through a lot of iterations in terms of the module itself and moving components and hiding components, and I think that process was the one where me and Frank learned to work together and how we have to consider each other's point of views and what makes life easier for each other. I think you've got to think about the final watch and realise that nothing's personal. You're both trying to make the best watch possible, and sometimes it needs pushing from one side or the other to get there. You're trying to make a better watch, and I think just as long as you stick to that, it always works out. Yeah, I think it's hugely useful, mainly because things can move faster. I think there's now an expectation that if Frank comes with an idea, maybe it's not going to be what it looks like in the final iteration, and there will be a process of change and improvement, and there isn't really any pushback on that. Everyone understands that it needs to go through this to make the best watch possible, and so everything's a lot smoother.